What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing something special on the car on my 350Z. Waiting to see this shit. Yeah. I had to move the car, but it was in the wrong parking lot. Here it is. The goodies.
You bring it out front so I can see it.
Now she opened it because it'd be hard to do with just one hand. So there it is, boys. Yep. And got the short hub, I think. Yep. The short hub. There it is. Good quality build. And this is a quick release. I think this is a 2.0 because the fucking 3.0 is like it has bigger fucking pedal shifter looking thing on the side. But yeah, there it is. So let's get this started. Before that, disconnect your batteries so the airbag doesn't go off on you. So let's do that. Get back to you later. Sizes I think would be so it would be 10 millimeter. Just loosen the negative. Now it's fucking dirty shit. Move it to the side. Now let's get to the steering wheels. So there should be two tabs on the side. There's one right here and one on the other side. So you take that out and there should be a special 10 millimeter bolt. Bolt you have to take off. So let's get that. I got these plastic link thing. They're pretty useful. So you didn't scratch that much. So it just pop it up. Oh shit. Leave it right here. And the other one's right there. Just pop that. Oh, there. Oh, that just flew. And my tool just fell. So keep them in a safe place, somewhere right there. And so the bolt I was talking about, they're not like normal bolts. They have this fucking star key looking thing. So let's see if this regular wrench works. No, I guess not. So I'm gonna have to use something else. Fuck. If my phone died and I didn't have the tools to take out the fucking these bolts, so I had to fucking use a vice grip. I got that shit off and I just started working on it without my recording it. So I got the short hub on and the quick release pieces fucking and the airbag resistor. For you guys that didn't know, so like when you turn it on, when you first turn on, it was like the fucking airbag should like start blinking. To clear that off, you gotta do like turn it as soon as it start blinking. You gotta turn it off, on and off for like, you don't start it all the way, you just put it on run, and now it's blinking right there. But like to do that, you gotta do that a couple times, and you turn on the vehicles. I think, and I can clear it. Yeah, see, it's gone. Oh, never mind. So, but yeah, just keep doing that till it's gone. Yeah, let's get back to fucking putting this back together. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to tuck this wiring into the back, so like there's not like a bunch of space just crumbling up. And make sure these don't fall out because they're not like tight. They're just like kind of snugged in there, but not fully snugged in. So make sure you get it in there and make sure it doesn't come off when you're trying to push them in there. You guys just gotta be careful with it. Make sure it doesn't come off, and put the other one in. Come on. Oh, see, it just came off. Fucking complicated just doing this with one hand, but there you go. And just hide it in there like that. And next thing you want to do is fucking, you got the, this is the part of the quick release. This is the bottom piece. I mean, I already put it together. And this is for your horn wiring. The yellow goes to the black. That's what came from the stock one. And this is the ground. You gotta use this spacer or ground. And yeah, so let me put this on and get back to you guys. Make sure you don't use like a fucking, don't do too tight, because you don't want to fucking strip the thread and then you're fucked. So just tighten these. Yeah. Alright, so they're nice and tucked, and just get one of your tools. So it should be, nope, too big. Using the Allen key, and I think it's gonna be 3/32. So let's use that one. See how it works. Yep, so that fits. Or not. I guess it doesn't fit, so let's use the other set, the standard one. It's gonna be a 3, I'm guessing. Alright, so it's a 3. Let's just tighten them with these.
Or you can use like a wrench. I recommend these because for wrench you don't know how much you put them down and you don't want to fucking cross them.
Alright, so there you go. That's nice and snug. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I already put the fucking steering wheel together, put the quick release and everything, and tighten all the bolts. But I gotta take this off again because you see how the logo is like sideways. So I fucked that shit up. So I'm just gonna loosen the bolt and turn that shit sideways. Alright. Straight, I think. No, it's still off, but it looks alright. So let's put the wheel back on. I mean, steering wheels. There you go. And let's see if the fucking airbag is still on. Where my fucking keys at? Oh, there you go. Oh, never mind, came back on. So let's do that shit and see how it goes. So stay tuned because I got a lot of shit right there, and y'all can guess what this is right here. This big piece. So stay tuned. There'll be a video coming more. So peace.
Classic Beats.